Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we'll discuss about a very important topic, magnetohydrodynamics equation (MHD). This is very important topic, friends. Let's start now. It is the branch of physics that studies how electrically conducting fluids behave in the pressure of magnetic field. This includes fluids like liquid or molten metals, plasma, salt water, and electrolytes. The word MHD is made following parts. First, magneto-magnetic. Second, hydro-liquid. Third, dynamics movement. In plasma conducting fluid, simultaneously of electrodynamics and hydrodynamics combined study is called magneto-hydrodynamics. MHD has applications in multiple fields like geophysics, space physics, aerophysics, etc. The field of MHD was initiated by Hamish Alban, for which he received Nobel Prize in 1970. Mass conservation. It is based on equation of continuity. If rho is density, v vector is velocity of fluid when del rho by del t plus divergence rho v vector is equal to 0. Del rho by dt is equal to rho divergence v vector plus v grade rho is equal to 0. Del f dt is equal to rho divergence v plus v grade rho is equal to 0. This is equation 1a, friends. Momentum transfer of force equation of Euler's, that is del v by del t is equal to f minus 1 by rho delta P. This is equation 2, where rho is a special field force per unit mass and P is the pressure of the field flood. The mobile operator d by dt is equal to del by del t plus v vector into delta. The equation 2 will be del v by del t plus v into del delta v vector is equal to f minus 1 by rho del p. Rho del v by del t plus v into delta v vector is equal to rho f vector minus delta p. This is equation 3b, friends, where ft is called field force per unit volume and ft is the total force field per unit volume of the fluid. Now, flow of plasma in a magnetic field, the force experienced by a moving charge particle is given by ft. Ft is equal to n cube v into b, where n is number of charge particle per unit volume, q is charge of each particle. Since current density J is equal to n cube v, Ft is equal to J into B, Ft is equal to J into B minus del P. This is equation 4, friends. The gravitational force and the viscous force can be considered as negligible. Now, EM field equation, delta cross E is equal to minus del B by del T. This is equation 5c, friends, and del B is equal to mu naught J vector. This is equation 6d, friends. Here displacement current is neglected because Faraday's law H del by del T into delta into B vector is equal to 0. Since delta into B is equal to 0 and Coulomb's law B I ignored, therefore EF is completely determined by Ohm's law. J is equal to sigma E vector, where sigma is conductivity of the medium. J is equal to sigma E vector plus V vector into B. This is equation 7e, friends. In the case of conductivity of fluid, sigma is infinite, then equation 7 will be E plus V into B is equal to 0. This is equation 8, friends. Equation A, B, C, D, and E is called MHD equation. Magnetic pressure and total force field from Ampere's circuital law. Delta into B is equal to mu naught J vector, and B into delta into B vector is equal to B into mu naught J. Delta 1 by 2 B square minus B delta B minus delta B square mu naught square from equation 4. Ft is equal to J into B vector minus delta P is equal to B into delta mu naught B vector minus delta B square to mu naught minus del P. Ft is equal to 1 by mu naught B into delta B minus delta P plus B square by 2 mu naught. This is equation 9, friends. Thus, the term B square 2 mu naught is the dimension of pressure. This is called magnetic pressure Pm. Equation 9 is a general formula for field force. There is no charge B along the field direction. The variation can be occur only in preparation of direction B. B into delta B is equal to 0. Therefore, Ft is equal to minus delta P plus Pm. This is equation 10, friends. If the system is equivalent, then Ft is equal to therefore P plus Pm is constant. This shows that any change in mechanics pressure is balanced by on opposite charge is magnetic pressure. Thank you, friends. We meet in next video. This is very important, friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.